Yeah, did he give you a hard time?
No?
No.
I think it was the older people that gave me a hard time. Yeah, no, you guys were cool. As in big capital C.
How was your brunch?
Oh, it's good. Oh, grabe. They were stuffing me like a lechon. Like, please, puputok na ako parang butete. I don't want anymore.
Ma'am Lloyd's pa. Ganyan talaga si Ma'am Lloyd's.
You have
Tapos
to
si Tito, Delina, wala yung auntie sa stage. Delina, wala ng some slimy vegetables. I don't know what you call it. Hindi, parang yaki-yaki. I don't know what it is.
babana or
It's like slimy.
I think it's either babana or marang.
Parang green na long. Parang green na long stem siya.
Mhm.
It's slimy. Parang okra.
Hindi. It's, yeah, forgot.
It's a vegetable or fruit?
Vegetable. It's a vegetable. Hindi ito gaba.
No. It's the takwai. What's that?
Takwai? Takwai.
Takwai.
I'm like, okay, well, you don't have this. Yeah. Oh my god, please, I'm really full. You need to gain weight. I'm like, yes, I know. Trust me, I want to get fat. Sabi ko, I just really have fast metabolism.
Layo na nila, no? Hindi, enjoy pala. Yeah, no more.
Yung nag-acquire pa kami ni Nathan before. Baguhan lang ako. So ginagawa ko pag ano na, one time parang wala ako sa boses. Tapos pinagalitan niya ako. Bakit na hindi ka ako makanta bla bla bla. Hindi niya alam na wala akong boses that time. So, nung buong time na kumakanta kami, nag-lip-sync lang ako. Nagalit sa akin.
Sino? Si Nathan?
Nathan. Hindi naman siguro nagalit, pinagsabihan lang. Kasi ano, sa choir, magkatabi kaming dalawa. Kasi yung height namin.
Pero si Nathan 40 years old, di ba? 40, mga 40 siya.
Ano yun? That was just, 8 years ago.
Yeah.
Nandito pa sila. Nandito pa siya.
I had fun sa Guimaras. Gusto ko yung snorkeling.
How about the fish and stuff?
Yeah, they're good. Si, ano ba yung Kobe? Parang ewan niya. We were snorkeling. Tapos parang may snake sa
Yeah, maybe.
yeah, and it was about to tuklaw us. So nakaganon na gumagano ng head. Si Cowboy,
Hindi snake.
snake nga lagi.
Snake talaga?
Inside na. Yes, it's, I don't know, sea snake.
It's an eel because his snake's color is black and white or black and red.
Yeah, parang ganun. So,
Sea snake yun.
So pinoint sa akin ni Kobe. I'm like, oh, kasi gumagano ng head para it's about to bite us. Tapos si Kobe got a stick. Ginanong gano'n.
Sa batuhan?
Ginanong bang in-irritate? Ano ganun, kumanot man naman kay Kobe.
Oo.
Natakot si Kobe. Parang eng-eng. Sabi ko, Kobe, bakit mo yung ginawa? Sabi ko, ewan ko.
Si snake yun? Delikado yun?
Oo nga, mabuti nasa likod niya ako. Can you imagine kung gumanong ba naman? Sabi ko taga Kobe, nakasakay ka na nga. Punta na tayo sa Kasi gumaganong snake ko sa yung head. Sa coral area. Gumaganon yung yung head.
May mga sea snake talaga dyan.
Oo nga, tapos
Well, once na hindi mo naman sila ginalaw, hindi sila mag-ano.
Oo, gumanon.
Sabi ba sa Tando, tamo ba sea snake? So, pag minsan nga nagka-camp kami, ipo-fire kami, yung mga snake lumalapit. Hindi pwedeng mag-fire sa gilid ng tubig. Kasi na-attract yung mga snake. Sea snake.
Wow, that's cool. I mean, just thinking about it is cool, but I'm sure being there.
Pero hindi naman sila lumalabas sa tubig. Nasa tubig lang sila.
Wow. That's nice.
Walang gamot din. Wala pang gamot sa poison niya. Walang antidote. Ito talaga yung nakita ko kahapon.
Wow, hope on the one is until here.
Yung nakita ko kahapon yung rockfish. Delikado talaga yun.
Makita ko pala. Buti you didn't step on it.
Yung malapit talaga dun sa mga clownfish na nakita ko. So, nakita ko sa gilid ng clownfish. Parang hindi naman to ba to? Nakita ko yung mata, gumagalaw. Ako isda to.
You know what I want to say? I want to say lionfish.
Yeah. I wanted to see a seahorse.
Seahorse.
I get to see.
Hindi na masyado,
Wala dito yung sa mga
other side sa sa Gising. I think,
nakakita ko ng seahorse sa Tantat before na. Doon din, malapit lang doon. Yung mga seahorse.
Ito ko remember, kasi naligid ko sa other side kasi yung si Yosuke. May seahorse to eh.
Yeah, nagkamay.
You know what to do if I just had the right shoes? I wanted to do like parang dive from the cliff. I mean from the cliff. From the
Like what Gemboy did?
Oo, what Gemboy did. I wanted to do that pero I didn't have the right shoes.
Oo, hindi ako doon sa malalim na yung pinaka last na bato pinagkuhan natin. I love the depth.
Yeah.
Hanggang dun lang. Hindi masyadong open, so pag humika ka, malapit lang yung bato na pwede mong patungan.
Yeah. It was really nice exploring the island. Ay nako, ang bilis-bilis ng oras. 1:35 na?
Yeah, it's advanced. 20 minutes.
120.
Correct. Once a day now.
Yeah. We leave around 2:20 anyways. And maybe they stop boarding around 2.
Don't go, Atisha, don't go.
Oh, Ate Sham, bakit may siya? May missing yung picture.
Naligid siya dyan, punawag dyan, park lang.
Ate May, it's a video. You say something before it's...
Makabait kayo mabuti. Yay! Hindi ka dumating! Nakakainis ka. Thank you.
Wanna say something to everybody? Oh, it's soup right there. Oh, right there.
FC! Keep an eye on Mark for you know who. But we enjoyed our stay. Pia! Stay cute. I'm crying from the inside. Hindi nyo na nakikita. Bye-bye. Makabait kayo mabuti ha, Friendster. It's MAE_ALLY at yahoo.com.au. Yan. Yan ang ginagamit kong add-on ha. Bye-bye. Miss you. Sissy! Wala po, yan yung game. I love you, game. Ngayon! Salamat, Mama.
Oh,
Magpasaway ay.
kanya to. Baka madala ko. And again, oh no.
Miss mo siya.
I'm gonna miss that laptop.
Nakakahawang iyak. Okay, let's take a group picture once more.
Hintayin natin.
Uy, yung doon dalawa.
Pasok mo na,
Check in muna kayo.
check in na kayo, pasok dito.
Check in muna kayo.
Check in na kayo, tapos labas kayo dyan. Tapos, dyan na yung lalabas mamaya.
Any liquid?
Bawal.
So, una, kasi as the cord.
Basta
ang charger, ganun pinapakuha. Sa Iloilo lang na yan. Ano kayo, May? Pal? Airfield. Mas maganda yung airfield. Kasi sa domestic.
SSID ko.
Kahit wala na, May, okay lang. Kahit wala na.
Huwag ka nang umuwi. Sabi dito.
Careful lang pa na, oh. Open yung... Kunin mo lang yung wallet mo.